Hey kids, welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 5, One-Way Selection Statements, Exercise number 3. We are at another one of our Select Your Difficulty ones. Again, these range from pretty easy to a little more difficult, nothing impossible. I'm going to be doing B to show you. Again, I always encourage you to challenge yourself because the exam is challenging, so better start preparing now. In our lesson here, looks like we have some instructions. Use an if statement and the isOnPaint method to move forward one square if the painter object is standing on paint. All right, we have our little display there and our show me how. Looks like we have 2 paint buckets there. Let's look at our code. We have our import statement, we have our class header, we have our main method header. We're instantiating a new object of the painter class. It's myPainter. It's going to move once, and then it's going to take paint twice. Then it's going to move, and then it's going to, I'm going to see if ours is a little different than theirs, because they move and then paint and then move again. I don't think ours is going to do that. Let's hit run and see what ours does real quick. Yeah, ours moves onto the paint and then paints it. So ours is a little different from their example there. Got to be careful with that. Always read the instructions. Now what we're going to do is use an if statement to see if we are on a paint square. And if we are, we want to move forward. That doesn't sound too hard. We have those instructions here as well. Well, how do we write an if statement? What's the anatomy of it? Well, first we're going to need that keyword if. And then we're going to need some parentheses. And inside here, we want to see if myPainter is on paint. So we want to use that is on paint. And then we need 2 little parentheses in there. Now remember, for statements also use curly braces. So put those in right now. And if myPainter is on that square, we want myPainter to move forward once. I think that's going to accomplish exactly what they want us to do. And we wrote our if statement correctly, I think. Let's go ahead and see. Looks like we did it right, kids. Good job. That's all for this lesson, kids. Again, I really encourage you to challenge yourselves and do a little more difficult of a level. What are the key takeaways for this lesson? The key takeaways are really the anatomy of what an if statement is. Remember, we're going to use the keyword if, parentheses, whatever our argument is inside there. Do not forget the curly braces. Another thing, no semicolons. That is the anatomy of an if or Boolean statement. Hopefully this video is helpful to you kids. As always, if you have any questions, come see me. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next lesson. See you later, kids. Bye, bye, bye.